5 seconds. Supreme Court can also remove the Vice President for committing electoral malpractices and not fulfilling the eligibility criteria for the Rajya Sabha member while in office per Article 71(1) of the Constitution. Per Article 71(1), it is also the duty of the Supreme Court to examine the doubts raised in connection with the conduct of a Vice President and remove the Vice President if found committing contempt of Constitution. New Delhi has, however, expanded manifold and is rapidly undergoing transformation. It is from New Delhi that most visitors form their first impression of the city. Much of New Delhi was built between 1920 and 1930. After independence, Delhi became the capital of the new nation. With the advent of independence, its importance has increased manifold, and Delhi has now become the political, economic and cultural capital of the country. The built-up heritage of Delhi are to be found in groups in the successive cities. Those which should not be missed by a visitors are the Qutub Minar and its adjuncts, Tughlaqabad, Humayun Tomb and shrine of Nizamuddin, Sher Shah forts, Red Fort and the Jama Masjid. To these might be added Kotla Firoz Shah, Safdarjung Tomb, Hoj Khas and the Lodi tombs. Indeed, millennium come and go, Delhi goes on forever. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, even the stones of Delhi whispers in our ears of the ages of long ago, and the air breath is full of the dust and fragrance of the past, as also of the fresh and piercing winds of the present. The traditions of millennia of our history surrounds us at every step, and the procession of innumerable generations pass before our eyes. In such cases, the bill dies. Indian President can keep the bill for indefinite period, as there is no constitutionally prescribed time limit to give his assent. The President can use his pocket veto if the fall of the government appears imminent. However, he has to act as per the advice of the new government and cannot take his new decision if current government falls. Pocket veto was first exercised by the President Gyani Jail Singh with respect to the Indian Postal Bill, which was passed by the Rajiv Gandhi government. Subsequently, the new government withdrew the bill in 1989. Certain states' bills needs the previous consent of the President, and he possessed absolute veto power with respect to some types of state bills. The US President does not have such powers. The Indian President can dissolve the Parliament, while the US President does not have such powers. Various bills related to the governance are passed in the Assembly and Parliament in the state and union level during different sessions. The MLAs and MPs vote for the bills and participate in the making of laws in the state level and central level respectively. In an attempt to decriminalize politics, the Election Commission has approached the Supreme Court to put a lifetime ban on convicted politicians from contesting elections. The CDIs function as inquiry officers to conduct inquiries in departmental proceedings initiated against public servants.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.